Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, Trading Secrets. This channel is for entertainment purposes only. For those of you who do not know, my name is Ali. I have over 20 years experience teaching accounting, economics, business and law. And through this channel, I'll be providing some stock analysis and also an update on our $1 Million Challenge. So for those of you who do not know, this is a journey of an investment of $1,000 to a return of $1 million over a period of 3 years using a strategy called compound return investing. So the objective is to try to achieve 201 trades, each with an average return of 3.5%. We do take into account losses. Further details and information about how to join the challenge are in the description below. In the previous video, we looked at an important update for ticker symbol ABML, American Battery Metals, and we also did a quick update on ticker symbol MMAT with regard to significant institutional buys. The update with regard to American Battery Metals was also with regard to construction, so please refer back to the previous video for the important update on both stocks. In today's video, I'm going to be looking at 4 penny stocks which I think have got huge potential in 2022. So before we do that, let's have a look at what's happened in terms of the markets today. There was an important development, and on the screen here you can see a headline from Reuters dated February the 10th, 2022, and the headline here, which I think is important for the markets, is US consumer prices post the largest annual gain in 40 years as inflation becomes widespread. So not a positive headline here. Let's have a look at the further details of this below. So in the second part of the article here, we can see that consumer prices increased by 0.6% in January. CPI was up 7.5% year on year. In terms of the core CPI, Consumer Price Index, this gained 0.6%, up 6% on the year. In terms of slightly more positive news, we can see that the weekly jobless claims fell 16,000 to 223,000. So a little bit more positive news in terms of the overall impact on the market. Overall impact was not good. However, I think for the month of January 2022, I think most of that month in terms of the market, it did go down quite significantly in anticipation of this data. So in terms of the Fed's target for inflation was 2%. So it is significantly up above that target. So I do expect an increase in interest rates later on down the line. However, overall, I'm pleased to say that the impact on the market was not as significant as potentially expected. In this website, I'd like to talk to you about Skillshare, which is a website for creative and curious people, lifelong learners, beginners, and also professionals. Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of inspiring classes for everybody who loves learning. Key benefits also include it is ad-free, and there are also new premium classes which are added every week. I was interested in joining Skillshare to learn more about cryptocurrencies, blockchain, and also crypto trading. So let's head over to the Skillshare website and have a look at in terms of its layout. So at the top here on the screen, you'll be able to see that I've just got a welcome back message. So it states here, welcome back Ali, ready for your next lesson. So it's a good reminder at the top. As we scroll down on the page, we can also see a recommended for you section where we have suggested content such as stock trading, Bitcoin, cryptocurrency. We have cryptocurrency 101, invest and trade, how to use Binance, and how to invest and profit with crypto. So certainly it seems to be tailored towards my needs. If we go further down, and because I follow social media, I have some suggestions with regard to social media and editing, and also we have a suggestion as we go further down with regard to Photoshop. So it's almost classes available on any topic that may be of interest to you. So if we go further down here, we look at additional information such as inspiration based on your interests, and then there's also a trending section. So let's now have a look at some of the classes that I'm currently taking. So on the screen here, you'll be able to see one of the classes that I'm currently taking is by Anton Foneska, and the headline of this title of this class is Binance Exchange 2021 Bitcoin and Cryptocurrency Trading Complete Practical Guide. So this is really good. So if you look on the right hand side, we have the top, we have an introduction to Binance, how to register, wallet verification, sign in, and how to verify your crypto balance. So this is really very good for people who are new to Binance and using Binance. And if we go further down, we can also get details of the project description with links to Binance as well. And further down, we can also see information with regard to reviews, about, and discussions. And finally, one other thing I'd like to say is that the first 1,000 people to use the link in my description below will get 1 month free trial with premium trial of Skillshare, and this link and information is also available in the comments. So please go ahead and join. Before we look at the 4 penny stocks, which I think have got huge potential in 2022, I'm going to also first of all share with you a review of our weekly watch list. This weekly watch list is shared exclusively in the Discord, and on the screen here I'm going to share with you a snapshot of the weekly watch list, which was posted on the Sunday 6th of February 2022, and I'm going to share with you a review of some of the stocks added onto this watch list for this week. These stocks are not included in all videos, so if in order to receive a copy of this exclusive watch list, which is posted in the Discord, you can join with details in the description below. But first of all, the first stock on the list we had posted on Sunday in order to watch for the members was Peloton, symbol PTON, and on the week so far this is up in excess of 53%, which is good news because there were rumours developing of a potential buyout. So congratulations to everybody who got that into Peloton. We do know the company itself is not run very well. The management certainly have made significant mistakes, and the company itself is in trouble in terms of a buying opportunity and an investment. It's good for a potential short-term gain because of the rumours. So the next one was Senseonics. This is a stock that was featured a few times on the channel, and it's a stock that has been covered in terms of due diligence, so please refer back to the previous videos for Senseonics. This is a stock that we are watching very closely. So far it's 21% up on the week. The next one is XELA, so this is also a stock that has been featured on the channel on a number of occasions, so please refer back to the previous video, and the details of due diligence of this was also shared in the Discord. And this so far is approximately 3% down on the week, but prior to that this did go up quite significantly. The next stock on our weekly watch was ticker symbol SNAP, Snapchat. So there was great earnings on this, and this stock did do exceptionally well, so congratulations to everybody who got in on this. And so far this week it's up in excess of 16%. We also had another new stock, ticker symbol INDO. We looked at the volume on Friday. It certainly looks to be up quite significantly, and it was also linked with the price of oil. So ticker symbol INDO, again a stock that's doing very well so far this week, where we've seen that go up in excess of 12%. So congratulations to everybody got into INDO. The next stock on our weekly watch list, which was shared in the Discord, is ticker symbol U. So everybody who got into this, again, well done. This is also up 13% so far on the week. Another interesting stock is GRFXY. This is a stock also shared on the Discord, but not on the mainstream YouTube channel. This is a stock which is a company that's a producer of one of the largest producers of graphite in the world, and currently showing great momentum. Demand is expected to go up, and so far this is up 13% on the week, so well done to everybody who got into this one. Next stock is ticker symbol BILL. This was identified due to great earnings and potentially giving good momentum going forward, and this so far is up in excess of 25%, so well done to everybody who got into ticker symbol BILL. The other two stocks, first one is SBOW. That is going to benefit from the boom in oil and gas. However, so far in the week that is 3% down, but today this stock is up 3%, so not a significant gain so far in this one, but potential still for the future. And the final stock we shared on the weekly watch list I'm going to share with you here today is ticker symbol ALJJ. There was a recent important acquisition in this business, and the link is shared below, and this is also so far up 20%, so well done to everybody in the Discord who managed to get into ALJJ. The first stock we're going to look at is ticker symbol XELA, XELA Technologies. This is also a stock that was featured in a previous video as well as our weekly watch list, and I think this is quite an important stock to look at right now because it's potentially a good buy price. If we look at the 5-day chart on the screen here, we can see 7th of February 2022 this was trading closer to the $1 mark, and in terms of one of the key reasons why we are bullish on XELA is they are expecting to have improved cash flow in the business, looking at an improvement in excess of $50 million. It also has an exceptionally good improvement in terms of its price target. We're looking at a reduction in debt for the business, so long term great potential for XELA, and please refer back to the previous video for details of this stock. Second penny stock we're going to look at is ticker symbol MRIN, also known as Marin Software Incorporated. So on the screen here, we're going to have a look at the 5-day chart for the stock, and we can see over the previous 5 days, the stock is up in excess of 11%. So it's also currently up close to 1% at time of editing, currently trading around about $3.40. So why are we bullish on this stock? First of all, in terms of the overall price target, one of the analysts has given this a stock price target of $14, so extremely bullish on this for the long term. In terms of potential rumors, there is a strong growing relationship with the company and LinkedIn, so in terms of optimization tools for advertisers. So if this also develops into a stronger relationship with potential for more revenue, great potential for the long term for ticker symbol MRIN. The third stock we're going to look at is ticker symbol CCO, also known as Clear Channel Outdoor. So on the screen here, we're going to share with you the 5-day chart for ticker symbol CCO, and we can see that the stock is up a very healthy 21% over the previous 5 days, currently trading at time of editing at around about $29.04. So why are we positive on this stock? First of all, this is an advertising company, outdoor advertising, and currently looking at 500,000 displays in 26 countries. Demand is increasing, and in other words, as more traffic populates the roads, Clear Channel Outdoor will see greater demand. So what that basically means is, as restrictions are easing and economies open up, this business is going to benefit tremendously. In terms of potential increase in revenues, we're looking at potential increase in excess of 33% for the 3 months ended September the 30th. Trend is very strong, also across the Americas segment. Revenues are going up approximately 42.6% in this period. Sales growth is also expected to go up in excess of 37% in the current quarter and 39.2% in the next quarter. So growth is exceptionally good, and the numbers certainly indicate that this stock has got a huge potential upside. We're looking at shares potentially going up in excess of $4. So making this stock very, very attractive. The final stock we're going to look at is ticker symbol ME, also known as 23andMe Holdings. So on the screen here, let's have a look at the 5-day chart for the stock, and we can see that this is currently up approximately 15% on the week so far, right now trading at time of editing around about $5.18 and approximately 3.6% up. So in terms of the business offers genetic testing kits that return results with regard to an individual's genome. In terms of the total company customer database, we're looking at 11.9 million genotyped customers, so that's very positive. In terms of the other fundamentals with regard to the business, we're looking at a capital influx at some time, so revenues are going to potentially start to increase steadily as well. The company is not posting a profit, but revenue is currently gone in the last earnings did go up in excess of 14%, so getting very, very closer to profit. And finally, if you'd like to get advanced notification of due diligence in such penny stocks and other high growth stocks, and also join us on the $1 Million Challenge, as well as get access to our weekly exclusive watch list, you can join the Discord from as little as $9 a month in the description below. Thank you very much for watching. Please stay tuned.